Welcome to Mr. Bell Kitchen. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my video watchers. If you haven't subscribed, wondering how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you subscribe to Mr. Bell Kitchen. Thank you for all your good comments and everything. Mr. Bell doing something different today. I'll be making a nice, good, healthy smoothie. Today I'll be having right here, as you see, I have everything chopped up nice and good. My berries, orange, apples. As you see, the apples is cut up nice and good. I cut them up myself and everything. And my oranges is cut up. The strawberries, the bananas. And I'll be using honey and little milk. And I'll be using 2 cubes of ice and everything. So we're going to put this right here on the road and get it together and enjoy this video. So I'm going to get started right now. I'm just going to start putting everything in there just like this. Put these berries in, little orange, just put it in just like this. Just drop it right in there. Little strawberries, kind of mix it up a little. And put it in like that. Put a little bananas in there. We're just going to put it in just like this. This right here is going to be so delicious and everything. This right here, the vegetables, the fruit is really nice. So just put that in just like that. Just like that. Put all that in there. This right here is going to be delicious. When the motor starts and everything, you're not going to hear my mouth. So right now I'm just doing a little talking right in here. And get everything stirred up right here. Put me a little milk in there. Everything on this milk going to be eyeball and everything. This right here is going to be delicious. Put it like that. Put my honey in. This right here is some nice good wildflower honey. Just squeeze it up just like this. Make sure it get all around in there. Make it nice and good. This right here is going to be a delicious smoothie. Alright, that's enough. Put your top on. Just like that. Put it on like that. Press power. And then I'm going to press smoothie. You're not going to hear me because of the noise. And that right there is done. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to unplug it. Take it off. We're going to try this out. Looking nice and good in the inside of it. So I'm going to put the top back on. Take it off. Sit it right here. We're going to taste this and see how good it come out and how good it pour. As you see, it's looking nice and good. Look at that. I'm going to taste it. Wake up with one of these. You be wanting these every day. My kids wake up sometimes instead of eating breakfast. Dad fixes smoothie. Fix them a smoothie and they love it. That is delicious. You can taste about everything. So that's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment. If you don't know how to subscribe, just ding, hit that bell and you will subscribe to Mr. Bell Kitchen. Thank you for watching. Remember, Mr. Bell have a lot of videos out there. That's all you had to do. Roll down and you see all the videos, anything you want to cook. Matter of fact, one of my sons made some smoothies on one of the, during the pandemic, made some smoothies. If you stroll down, you get a look at him when he was young.